Subscribe to my channel.
Okay guys, welcome back to the second topic on our array. All right, now we have just discussed these things. All right, so we'll get rid of these things up here quickly. Now we want to try another thing. Okay, now we want to get rid of, we'll keep this array here, but we want to bring it down. All right, we have two different arrays here. We have mix and we have fruit. All right, so now for the next array here, we want to work with something. We want to replace something within it. Now we'll console the log and we say fruit, and then we want to replace our second array where we have banana. Right now, if I open this into the browser quickly and inspect it, we'll see that we have in our console we have banana here. All right, now having banana here, we want to change this to something very special. All right, we want to change the fruit here to grape. We want to change banana to grape. Now how can we do this? All right, now how can we do this? In order for us to do this, we need to come here and say fruit, right? And then we come here, we say 1, okay, and then we reassign it. All right, to reassign it, we say grape. All right, get out of this and save it. Now after saving this, we want to get back to our browser quickly and refresh it. Now we just refresh it and we did not get any desired output. All right, we did not get any desired output. Now we want to work with something in the array quickly to give this result. Now I want to bring this fruit up here. I want to bring it before the console log. All right, I want to bring it before the console log. All right, so we'll bring it up here. We'll bring it up here. Now we use the method to change the value of a particular item within the array. Now after changing the value of that item, we save our code and then we can open this into the browser real quick. We try to inspect it. Now if we try to inspect it, we can see fruit here banana have been replaced with what? Grape. All right, this is how we replace item in the array. All right, this is how we replace item in the array. Now the next thing we want to do, we want to check the length of our array. All right, we want to check the length of our array. Now to check the length of our arrays, we'll come here in the console.log here. We'll come here, let me just push this on the side quickly. We'll come in this console.log, we'll say fruit the length. All right, and save this. All right, after saving it, we want to come in and refresh this place. Now we have 4 items. All right, we have 4 items within the array. We have 4 items within the array. Okay, now if we come down here, we want to check the items again in the next array. We want to say console.log. We want to say mix mix. All right, in mix we want to say mix dot length. All right, we save this. If we come and refresh it, we understand that in our first array we have 3 items. In this second array we have in the first array we have 4 items. In the next array we have 3 items. All right, so the next thing we want to do, we want to push item into the array. All right, we want to push item into the array. Now to push item into the array, we're going to bring out of the console log down, and then right beneath this place here, we want to push another item into the array. We have banana into the array first, but we replace banana with grape. Now we want to re-push banana into the array. All right, so we'll come down here, we'll say array, we'll say fruit dot push. All right, okay, in this push area now we'll create this, and then we'll put the name that I want to push there. Banana. All right, now we'll close this. We can push another item again. Fruit dot push, and in here we can push qua. All right, we're gonna push this into the array as well. We save it. Now if I come and refresh this, you find out that our array length has changed from 4 to 6 because we have added 2 different items to it. All right, now the length of our array is this. Now after adding the item to our array, guys, we will stop here, and you can play with this over and over. You can play with it over and over. Make sure you can play with it over and over, making sure that you learn something from it. All right, you can play with this over and over. We use this to replace or change a particular item. Which use this to change, and we use this to add. We also use this to add. All right, so guys, thank you very much for staying around, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope that we found this video.
Subscribe to my channel.